Okay people, let's be real. Every creator wants people to stop scrolling and look at their content. We pour tons of hours in trying to create the best video possible, and we just want people to appreciate it. Us videographers and video editors, we create good content, try storytelling tricks, try good color grading. But what's also important is choosing the right effects for your video. Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know me, my name is Jacopo. I'm a 22-year-old Italian videographer and video editor working with multiple businesses and influencers here in Italy. Today we're going to talk about my 3 favorite effects that I use in almost every shoot and that always get a great reaction from my clients. Number 1, the Polaroid flick. Instead of just starting out your video talking to the camera or maybe using simple transitions that you see like every single day in casual vlogs, a great way to create like some sort of physical interaction with the viewer is using this effect. It grabs attention immediately and it literally throws you inside the video. The workflow is a little bit like tricky at the start, but once you got it, you can just copy and paste it for all of your videos. The first thing you want to do is a top-down shot of you just flicking an empty Polaroid. This needs to be like a blank piece of paper. Once you got that, you go into the Fusion page, add the planar tracker, go on the edges of the Polaroid and just track the movement perfectly using the tracker. Once you do that, just replace the white space with the video you want to put in. Then to sell the effect, you just need to put like a digital zoom inside of the Polaroid, add like a sort of shake effect or a Gaussian blur. Finally, just cut to the full screen video as the camera dives into the photo. And that's it. It's a beautiful way to turn like a simple, boring video into something more dynamic while you're talking, presenting something, or just shooting B-roll. Number 2 is the Sunglass teleport effect. So this is a classic. I actually got the idea from Gaku Lange. I don't know how to say it, but he is a fucking beast. It turns a simple transition of like one location to another to a dynamic shot that directly connects the two. To create this, you'll need a shot of your sunglasses hanging from a string, rotating slowly in front of a green screen, a green background, or even just your background in general. In DaVinci Resolve, jump into Fusion, create a magic mask node, and isolate the glasses. Then drop the blurred background that slides slowly to mimic the movement. Then you just need to match the 3 clips together, so basically the throwing the glasses, the digital glasses that turn, and then the catching of the glasses. Also try and add some shakes and blurs to hide the transition. And again, it does take some time to create this effect. If you try and do it with like different types of glasses, then you have multiple shots that you can use in your videos. So yeah, just have fun with it. You also can do it with other objects, not just glasses. So just have fun. The last effect I want to talk about today is the muscle X-ray effect. And yeah, it's just simply insane. Every time I show it to like a gym bro, they just lose their mind because they really love when you can see the muscle fibers, and it's actually pretty insane to look. Now, unfortunately, you can use it like for every single clip. Every clip is different, every movement is different, so you have to do like the whole setup and effect in Fusion every single time. But believe me, it's worth it. Now, for the workflow, you just need a simple video of your subject, grab the still frame of that footage, then use the AI tool like Nano Banano to replace the skin with the muscle fibers in the specific frame. You can use a prompt that I created. I will leave it down below in the description. Then go back into DaVinci Resolve, use the planar tracker to create the mask on the area you want to replace. Then pair your AI image with the tracker. You do have to like do a few tweaks with the planar tracker. They are a bit specific. I created a full tutorial on this, so you can check it out in the description below. I am gonna create videos for the other 2 effects, like tutorial, in-depth tutorials, so just stay tuned. Once you finish with the tracker, the movement of the muscles should be like exactly perfect. If it's not perfect, you can go back to the tracker, track it again, and just tweak it until it's just perfect. Guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, I'm truly grateful. Now, yes, the effects are extremely important inside of your videos, but if the footage is bad, you can't do anything with it. So if you're looking to buy a new camera, I made a video just for that. It's in the description down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, boys. Ciao, ciao.